Now, 10 News Pinpoint Weather, sponsored by Mozzie Heating, Air and Solar, voted Best Heating and Air Company 2 years in a row.
And 10 News Pinpoint weather anchor Jen Delacruz joining us now, though Santa Ana's just starting to get going.
They're just starting to get going, and they're going to be sticking around for at least 2 more days. Here is our current fire weather threat. You see some of the yellow and orange color, a mild to moderate threat at this point. Overall, this is a pretty weak Santa Ana event, but Santa Ana nonetheless, and currently very dry conditions, gusty winds as well, so certainly watching areas right now in East County, and we'll be doing so over the next couple of days. Current wind speeds, once again, Santa Ana winds coming out of the northeast, Warner Springs, Julian, Mount Laguna, Campo right now, gusting at 26 miles per hour, 22 in Alpine, so getting a little bit better there. Coastal areas still dealing with the onshore flow, so a little bit better for our coastline, but certainly East County focusing on those Santa Ana winds that will continue. As we put this through our wind gust futurecast, we're going to continue to see those gusty winds into tonight, 9:30, getting a little bit better for places like Warner Springs and Julian. Campo still gusting at 23 miles per hour. For tomorrow morning, 27 in Campo, 24 in Julian. So we're going to see another round of those gusty winds focusing on East County, our mountains and our foothills for tomorrow morning, getting a little bit better in the afternoon. But then Tuesday morning, once again, ramping up. 30 mile per hour gusts in Campo, 24 in Mount Laguna. So we will continue to see those winds through Tuesday, then getting a little bit better through Tuesday afternoon. But Tuesday is going to be very warm. In addition to all of that heat, we have relative humidity that is very low. 12% in Ramona by the time tomorrow rolls around 1 p.m. 16 in Julian, 10 in Alpine, so very dry out there. Anything that does spark will be able to spread quickly. So we will continue to watch this as well. Our overnight humidity levels aren't going to be getting much better either. 3-day temperature trend is on the way up. 84 near the coast for tomorrow, 86 by Tuesday. So it's going to feel more like summer than the end of October here in San Diego County. 90s for Monday and Tuesday into the inland valleys, cooling down just slightly by Wednesday. If you consider that cooling, it's still going to be 90 degrees for the inland valleys. 10 News Pinpoint 7-day forecast. Very warm all week long. Getting a little bit better on Wednesday, but it looks like we might have another round of Santa Anas Thursday into Friday, so our temperatures will still be pretty high. 90 degrees for Friday into the weekend, still pretty warm out there. 71 in the mountains, 90 in the desert, so does not feel like fall here at all.
And in our house, you can tell the Santa Anas because the allergies start to spike too for a lot of people.
All
are
those
suffering.
dry conditions there and the wind, that doesn't help at all.
Yeah, thanks, Jen.